Can a random stranger on the internet stumble upon your grocery list, your next blog post draft, or even your deepest, darkest secrets hidden away in the depths of Notion? Intriguing, right? Notion has become a productivity powerhouse for millions, a one-stop shop for note-taking, project management, and even building personal wikis. But with all that power comes a crucial question. Is your Notion a private haven or a potential peep show? Let's dive into the world of Notion privacy settings and explore exactly who can see your meticulously crafted workflows and brain dumps. First things first, understanding Notion's tiers. Notion operates on a tiered system. There's the free personal plan, the personal pro plan with a monthly fee, and various team and enterprise plans catering to businesses. Each tier unlocks different sharing functionalities, so understanding where you stand is key. For our free personal plan users, things are pretty straightforward. By default, anything you create in Notion is private. It's your digital fortress, accessible only by you. Now, things get a bit more nuanced with Notion Pro and the Team/Enterprise plans. These plans unlock the power of collaboration, allowing you to share your Notion pages with others. But here's the good news, you're still in complete control. Sharing like a pro, permission is power. When you share a Notion page, you have a granular level of control over who sees what. You can choose to share with specific people by entering their email addresses, or you can generate a shareable link. But the magic lies in the permission settings. Imagine a page filled with your marketing plan. You can share it with your team, but you might not want everyone to be able to edit it. With Notion, you can grant different levels of access. Viewers can only see the content, commenters can leave feedback, and editors can make changes. This level of control ensures your grocery list remains private while your team brainstorms on the next marketing campaign in a shared workspace. Sharing links, a double-edged sword. Sharing links can be incredibly convenient, allowing anyone with the link to access your page. But here's a word of caution, treat sharing links like handing out house keys. Anyone with the link, be it a friend, colleague, or even a random stranger who stumbled upon it online, can access your page. The password protection lifeline. Notion offers an extra layer of security, password protection. You can add a password to your shared pages, ensuring only those who have the golden ticket can enter. This is a great option for highly sensitive information or pages you only intend for a select few. The public Notionverse, sharing with the world. Notion also allows you to make pages completely public. This essentially transforms your Notion page into a public website. While this can be a fantastic option for sharing tutorials, travel journals, or even a creative portfolio, remember, once it's public, it's out there for everyone to see. Privacy is in your hands. Notion empowers you to control who sees your work. Whether it's your personal knowledge vault or a collaborative workspace, you have the tools to ensure the right people have access. So, can anyone see your Notion? The answer is, it depends entirely on you. By understanding the sharing options and using them effectively, you can ensure your Notion remains a private haven or a collaborative playground, whichever suits your needs best. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.